Alright guys, we have no engagement. This comes from drop starting your saw. Do not drop start your saw. Now we're gonna have to take this off and see what's broke in there and what needs replaced so that we can start this saw again. Well, I'm pretty sure we found the problem. Those aren't supposed to be in there. They're supposed to be in there. Pretty rough condition there. And there's the clip. You'd think a guy would clean out a saw once in a while and do some maintenance. But that's not how the guys work. They just work them until they don't work, and then I don't know what happened. It's not working, fix it. There's the bad one. And here's the good one. So obviously, right in here and here, this thing got wrecked. So we need it like that and like that. Alright, here's what it should look like. Should have this clip in the middle here. This one was broke. And the pawl should be here and here instead of mangled up. And as you pull it, they should come out and engage, so it'll turn the flywheel and start the saw, and then it should retract as soon as you let go like that, so that it can freewheel in there and not interfere with the flywheel. We got her fixed. Alright, we'll do a quick test and see if we fixed it. that did it. Now, when I say don't drop start it, don't take this and just drop it like that. It tears up your starter. Clamp it in your legs or step on it on the ground. And start it that way.